In class 11 business studies, we are on chapter 4 and the name of chapter is business services. And in business services, the first class I explained you about the services and their features like intangibility, involvement, inventory, all those things. Then in the next class, I explain you the difference between goods and services with the examples. Then I explain you different types of services. Yes, three types of services: business service, social service, personal service. Now in business services, I told you the major services which are helpful for the business activities. The major service was banks. And yesterday I gave you the details or the information about different types of banks in yesterday's video. Like first, commercial bank, cooperative bank, central bank means RBI, and specialized bank. In yesterday's video, I explained you all those types of banks. Then today we are going to tell you about the services provided by commercial banks. What are the services provided by commercial banks? The major services, they are accepting deposits. They are taking deposits of the common public as savings. They are giving loans to the public, common public, and other allied services. Other services, I will explain you: debit card, credit card, ATM, online money transfer, okay, checkbook, passbook, draft facilities, locker facilities, gift check, traveler's check, all are other allied services. These services provided by commercial banks. Now, my dear children, the main function of commercial bank is to main function of commercial bank is to provide. Am I audible, Tanishq? Tanishq, am I audible? Now, first of all, we are discussing these 4-5 services. See, bank accepts deposits of common public. First is current account. Please, Piyush, please note down these notes in your notebook. First is current account. Note down, please. Current account generally opened by businessmen, because the banks provide facilities of many time deposits and many time withdrawals with checkbook and passbook facilities. Tanish, Akshira Joria, please make the notes. What I am saying? Yes, please. Current account is generally open and maintained. Noel Joan, please note down beta. Open by Anand Singhvi, please copy down. Rabjot Singh. Yes. Current account is opened by businessman because bank provides facilities to withdraw many times and can deposit many times. Second point, bank provides checkbook and passbook facility on it. Checkbook for money transfer and passbook means statement. of all the deposits and withdrawal. Then next, bank provides overdraft facilities to current account holders. Banks provide overdraft facilities to current account holders. Overdraft means withdrawal more than deposits. Banks don't give interest on current account. Banks don't give interest on current account. Even charge some incidental charges for providing various services. For providing various services. Current account is useful only for those who want to deposits and withdrawals many times in a day, or they have more transactions than limit. Like my dear children, I don't require bank current account. Why? Because there is no need to deposit many times, no need to withdraw many times in a day. Okay, so generally current account is maintained or opened by businessmen. Now second, saving deposits account. Saving account. Saving account is opened by salaried people. It is the best way to deposit or to save their surplus amount. It is the best way to deposit their surplus amounts as saving. The Indian government also encouraged saving accounts. Parth Kachawa, show me your copy, beta. Indian government also encouraged saving accounts through Jan Dhan Yojana. Parth Kachawa, you are not copying down, beta. Please copy it. Through Jan Dhan Yojana. These types of accounts provide ATM card facility, debit and credit card facility. So if you want to get ATM facility, which account you have to open? You have to open saving account. Okay? And this saving account is useful for salaried people. Salaried people means the organization transfer the salary in saving account. So saving account. Now, just now I told you for getting various services like ATM, debit card, credit card facilities, generally people have to open saving account. Otherwise, bank will not give you. So my question, just previous question was, if you want to get an ATM card while you will go in college, that time you will have to open one saving account. Then bank will give you ATM or your name, by your name. So my dear children, saving account opened by salaried people, and this type of account is to encourage the saving habits in the common people. Saving habits. Okay. So Indian government is also trying to encourage people to save for their future needs through Jan Dhan Yojana. Government is transferring subsidies in saving accounts. Okay. Now, banks provide, please note down, Gana, please note down, banks provide checkbook and passbook facility. Checkbook and passbook facility on saving accounts. Yatharth Kumar, why banks provide checkbook and passbook facility in saving account? So that they can withdraw and they can give their check to someone, and passbook means detailed statement. Okay, passbook means detailed statement of the deposits and withdrawal. So banks provide these two services also. Okay, so saving account is to encourage the saving habits. Now next is FD. FD means third, fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit. FD, fixed deposit account. Common people can deposit large amount for long time period. Manav Jain, please note down. Large amount for long time period to earn highest rate of interest. To earn the highest rate of interest. Noel John, please note down. Highest rate of interest. The depositor can get back the money. The depositor can get back the money. Akshay, the depositor can get back the money or can renew the fixed FD or can renew, RENEW, renew the FD with interest. With interest. Example, Noel deposited 1 crore rupees for 1 year. Noel deposited 1 crore rupees for 1 year in ICICI Bank. Then after 1 year, on the date of maturity, after 1 year, on the date of maturity, he will have two options. Noel, please note down, beta. I am giving you your example. You deposited 1 crore rupees in the bank for 1 year. Okay, happy? Then you will have two options. What are the two options? First option, get back the money with interest. Get back the money with interest. You can take back your money with interest. Option 2, you can renew it for further time period. You can renew it. Renew it means you will make it for, extend it for further time period. Harshvardhan, clear? Now see, the main thing which we have to mention in fixed deposit is that banks don't give passbook and checkbook facility at all. In fixed deposit account, you are not able, you will not get any passbook and checkbook facility. Okay. Manan, got it? Noeljo, now why will you not get the facility of checkbook and passbook facility? Because you cannot withdraw the money. You cannot deposit the money in that. You have to make another FD. Okay. And you cannot withdraw. If you want to get prior payment, bank will charge some charges. Okay. So that is the another rule. Now the fourth is RD. RD. Recurring deposits account. Recurring deposits account. Recurring deposit means a depositor can withdraw a fixed amount on a fixed date for fixed time period, and on maturity, Priyanshi got it, beta? On maturity, bank will return the amount with interest. Bank will return the amount with interest. Like Rishiraj open a RD in UCO Bank. In UCO Bank, 1,000 rupees per month for 3 years. 1,000, okay, 1 crore rupees per month for 3 years. Okay, Rishiraj, now happy? 1 crore rupees per month for 3 years. Now, after 3 years, on maturity, after 3 years, on maturity, you can get back your money with interest. You can get back your money with, Rishiraj can get back the money with interest. Banks don't give checkbook facility on it. Banks don't give checkbook facility on it.
because he cannot withdraw, so there is no need of check. Now last is MO, multi-options account, multi-options account, MO, multi-option account. This is a new concept that banks provide various services in one account. In one account. Okay, so now my request to you, please today you will discuss with your parents, because nowadays your parents are very well aware and versed about the deposits they are depositing for their future needs. So you have to discuss with your parents, get the knowledge from them. If you will ask your mama, you have one FD, she will say, not only one, I have many FDs. She deposited, she saved money for your future. So you will ask, if your father is doing business, he must have current account. If your parents or your mama will must have saving account, because nowadays online transfer, Paytm and ATM all are possible, so saving account will be there. Yeah, please, you will ask your mama about FD, she will tell you the process. RD, she must have RD, and multi options may not be. So you will take, today you will discuss it with your parents that they have these types of deposits or not. Surely they must have. Then loans. Banks provide different types of loans facilities. First is OD. OD means overdraft. Banks, just now I gave you a current account, that's why I've written here only. First is OD, overdraft, means a current account holder. Please write if you want. A current account holder can withdraw from more than deposits. OD means overdraft. Now second, CC. CC means cash credit. Cash credit. Banks provide loans up to a limit to withdrawal cash as credit. Then third is term loans. Term loans. TL. Term loans. I'm sure you must know about it. Banks provide three types of term loans. Banks provide three types of term loans. Short term up to 1 year. Middle term 1 to 5 years. It depends on some policies of different banks, maybe 3 years also. But generally middle term is from 1 year to 5 years. and long term, more than 5 years. More than 5 years. These are termed as term loan, long term. So term loans are of 3 types. Kanak Agrawal, if I take loan up to 1 year, that is short term. Up to 5 years or 3 years, depend on the bank's policy, middle term. And if I have taken loan for more than 5 years, that is long term. I am sure you all must understood today's topic.